want this? Alright, so ask Mama to do it now, not to wait.
Mama, can I have this and make it now?
Excuse me? Yes.
No, get your snack under there. We'll pop after. Hi, Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day in JA. What happened? You hurt your finger?
Yes.
Where?
Here. Here. Here.
Hush, hush, hush. Hi, Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day in JA. JA in France. What do we bring Jamaica to France? This is what it looks like. Yes, in my house. A lot of noise, a lot of chaos, a lot of love, and a lot of laughter, and a lot of loudness. You guys, say good morning to the faves.
What, my yacht?
Sarah? Not good. Sarah, too quiet. Get down, let me go find her.
I'm going to go find
Sarah? Stop. One close our room door. I find you. She was in my room behind the door. Look. Say hello to the faves. Look up there. Say hi. Say hi. Look. See the faves up there. Look. Look at them. Look up there. Up, up, up. The eye. You want to go closer so you can see yourself? Come in. Let's go close. Very, very close. Look. Hi. 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 Hey, cuckoo. Cuckoo. Say cuckoo, face. Cuckoo. Then Papa say cuckoo to her. She answer. Leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it. You guys, it's the first you guys have been. It's the first you guys seen me all day. The entire family is here. Tyler is here. Sarah is here. Baby's just getting in from a busy day. Cold outside. Getting in from work and supermarket. Looking exhausted. Where are you going?
Taking off my shoes. It's wet outside. So
you're talking. Sarah is talking. So you guys know when we're in the kitchen in this setting, is some kind of unboxing. Something is going on. But don't worry, I did the unboxing today without you because you guys couldn't see what was in the box because the Christmas gifts keeps rolling in from friends and family, so I've been wrapping things. So that's why you see Tyler with wrapping paper. Alright, Ninja, can I have this please? Thank you. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Good job. Tyler first week of transition is complete. He's going leave it. He's going into the week 2 next week, which is the final week before he goes to big school full time. How was your day, husband? Say hello to the face.
Yes, how was my day? Hi guys, I'm feeling exhausted.
Tyler, you're gonna fall.
My head starts to hurt. I'm hungry. I just want to lay down, rest, relax, and enjoy the rest of the day. But as a parent, things to do home. But
only as a parent. What about a husband?
No. Sometimes husband can be on pause while parents can be on pause. Am I right? Am I wrong?
So you are saying that it's okay for me to do without my husband, but it's not okay for them to do without their father?
No, I'm just saying that if you want to relax for 1 or 2 hours or whatever you want.
Are you saying it's okay for me to do without my husband, and it's not okay for them to do without their father?
If the morning you want to do sleep all morning, okay? From the 3 of us, who is the one that not gonna stop you?
Me.
No, you're gonna stop her. You're gonna come to knock at the door. Mama, I'm hungry. Mama, I want this.
No, it's
Mama, I
Sarah.
want that.
Sarah.
Alright, guys, I got the point. She don't get it. So
He doesn't justify himself.
Sarah.
outside.
He doesn't justify himself.
Sarah.
Sarah created havoc in the bags already. Leave her with it. It's not open. Anyway, you guys, let's jump into the supermarket haul and we'll come back to talk after this. Let's get to it so babe can get some food and breathe. Come, take your space.
No, I want you to do it. I want you to
No, I'm not the funny one. I'm gonna make a fool of myself. Come.
Are you telling me?
I need you. Let's go, funny
I
people.
want to do this one.
Yes, why are you disturbing him? You're a mess. You're completely mess.
Sarah, no. Get over.
Alec, Tyler, start. Come on. Ooh la la, this is what Tyler take first. I don't think he's randomly taking this first. I think he just love the cookie. You're taking all my cookie, right? What is that, Tyler?
Blue for the toilet.
No, that's a canard.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a duck. I was showing you the duck. That's duck.
It's puree.
Come, let me help.
Somebody get lazy, somebody asks food for Sarah.
No, that's not the reason why we buy food for Sarah, and he knows it. We buy food for Sarah on days where, for example, if we
You
go
know-
on the road, or
We have pasta,
you're not
guys.
gonna let me just
No, nobody wants to listen to
The
you.
brown one.
Yes, I took this from the brown one.
Oh.
We plan to watch a lot of movies, so babe, she always cries, so we have this.
What? Oh gosh, me bite my cheek.
You not cry when you watch
Why
movies?
it's always babe? Why it's always me?
It's not you
You can't
crying.
pick on somebody else.
Who? Who?
Tyler, yourself.
Oh, that Sarah miss me, so she crying. That's the.
Tyler, don't do that.
Alright, we have crepe for Tyler. What we have? We have cheese for the salad and bread. Somebody love bread.
Say what?
Can you do the chicken for me?
Yes. Papa, look at
Yes, look at that.
Papa, look how strong I can carry
You have to do it up.
Let's
Okay,
see how
can
can
I put this one on top of the apple juice? Can you do both? Can you do both? Can you?
I can.
No, you can't.
No, you can't.
Soon, Tyler. You're soon gonna be
You'll
able
be
to do it.
able to soon. More food.
More food for Sarah. Tell you guys she lazy no matter what is her explanation.
This you take. You take this.
You guys know that's not true. That's not true whatsoever.
We have
You
yogurt
know that.
for Sarah.
Y'all know that's not true.
We have vanish, whiter than white.
Bang, bang.
That's how you call it? Whiter than white.
Tyler, you cannot take
Alright,
that one
I want you to open this so you can put this in the.
You find cheesecake?
No.
True, or you just
True. Why you do
drinking?
the chicken again? True.
Babe, true?
Yeah, when
Say
I.
God no.
God no, whenever I have chicken I put it like, it's like precious. I don't put it in the back of the
Yeah, but
supermarket
it
bag.
probably be in another bag.
No.
Oh.
Alright guys, we have yogurt for me. This is for me.
I love having cheesecake and Baileys on a Friday night.
Well, she's gonna have to bake it. I'm still waiting on it. What else do we have in this one, Tyler? Show me. We have a color pasta.
Take from the top.
I
You
wonder-
cannot take things
I
from the
wonder how
bottom.
they make the color pasta. Is somebody pinch that?
Fish.
Yes, this is a fish. What kind of fish is that?
Fish from the sea.
Exactly.
Which sea?
Exactly,
Which sea?
Tyler.
Which sea is this coming from?
Vietnamese.
Eh?
Vietnamese.
It's coming from the swimming pool. That's what I
Come
said.
not take too long on one
We
song.
have eggs from the chicken.
Tyler, more things.
We have another salmon. I don't know where it's coming from the north. Of
Lizard, snail. Be careful,
That's snail. That's crazy.
What is that?
Snail.
Yeah.
You eat snail?
Yeah.
Why not?
Yeah.
You know that French people eat a lot of snail?
We have Danette.
Look at that of How do you explain
We
to him?
have chicken.
But
You
that
know
is
that
meant for
French
that to be
people
funny.
eat a lot of snails and it's
That's
very
real.
is very yummy. If you want
That's
snails,
real.
we can give you snails. We have
I don't want
You don't want snails, so you're gonna make Papa eat snail alone? You want to test from Papa? We have
a little
biscuit for Tyler.
Little.
Alright.
Sarah sneak way into bed with me.
Tyler, give me this, fast. Fast, fast, fast. We have pure comfort. Somebody go faster. Tyler, you're too slow. I can't believe how slow you are. We have olive.
Yeah.
Guys, there's a mistake. Look at that. This is big yogurt for Sarah. This is little yogurt for me.
You took quiche. Tyler was asking for quiche last week.
You were asking for quiche. You want quiche? So what you want me to put in the... Guys, we have quiche Lorraine. Guys, we have a quiche Lorraine. And we have mini pizza. 2 types of mini pizza.
And they're gonna go in the oven
Which
now.
one you want now, Tyler?
Bye.
Want this? Alright, so ask Mama to do it now, not to wait.
Mama, can I have quiche and make it now?
Excuse me?
If you lose, we need
Hold
to
on,
do
hold on,
round
hold on,
paper.
hold on.
Alright, Tyler, that's it.
Hold on,
That's the
no,
only moment in your life that you are allowed to speak like this. No, stop losing time. Stop losing time. I'm hungry.
What you just say you're gonna do?
He said go fast and unpack this and put it in the oven
Never
now.
speak to me like that. You hear me? You hear me? Don't do that again.
Alright, baby, I need you. Your mission now is not to do that. Your mission is to put
Okay,
this.
you're on
Yes,
Tyler
yes,
finish up the
yes.
hall. Sorry.
Oh,
The
guys.
hall with Papa.
We have 2 boxes of chocolate. It's the end of the year. Tyler gonna change school, so we're gonna give chocolate to Tyler teacher, right? You want to give that to Maîtresse?
Yeah.
And you want to give that to Sandrine?
Yeah.
Right, we're gonna give chocolates to both Tyler and Maîtresse. We have cereal bar. Somebody eat around the clock the cereal bar. There's about 20 cereal bar in that box. That means 40 cereal bar. And every week I have to get 40 cereal bar.
Just to put on the record that everything that my husband says is not true. 90% of the things he said there in supermarket hall about me is not true.
Everything is true.
Bah.
Ooh, what is that?
It's my ninja weapon.
Ooh,
Let me show you guys what we're doing.
Look at that. I have apple. I have two pack of apple. And we have a cucumber. Oh. We have
I'm
sweet
putting
peppers.
quiche in the oven for dinner.
Come on, fast. I'm hungry. Green bean. We have five cucumber. I don't know why 5. Somebody wants 5.
6 for you.
No, that's 5 or 1. 4
No, it's and plus this one.
Sarah, too quiet.
here. So that's 5.
No, look. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I love to see the face of people when they get wrong. I love that.
Why do you do that? No, no.
Ha!
Alright,
I'm a ninja.
stop.
Bah.
Stop, otherwise you won't have no Santa Claus. We're in December, we have to use that. We have celery, guys. Tyler, you don't want no Santa Claus?
Oh, yes, I want Santa Claus.
Alright, so you better stop because I'm going to send a letter to Santa Claus. We have apples, guys.
Papa.
Put it down. Put it down now. What is that, Tyler?
Sorry.
No, I want to walk. Tell me more. Okay, do you sing something?
Oh, baby,
Get out of the kitchen. Move.
You really have a funny problem. You really have a funny problem. You have 3 sweet potatoes. Tyler, let me ask you a question. From 0 to 10, how funny is Mama? 0 is not funny at all and 10 is very funny.
0.
Right. I didn't even have to correct him. Mommy is 0 from in the funny scale. Can you at least tell me a joke? Even when I ask her a joke, she don't even have a joke. You know, when I go up in Jamaica, we don't have no joke.
What a liar!
What a laugh. What a life. A life without joke. True.
He's a fool. Lol.
Take this.
Repeat and report went into a boat. Report, jump out, left who?
We have
Huh?
a ginger.
I asked you a
And we have
question.
a pumpkin.
Honey,
I saw the pumpkin just go.
I asked you a question.
Guys, that finish. Let
Baby,
me.
it's a serious question.
What is a serious question?
Repeat and report went into a boat. Report, jump out, left who?
I don't know who left.
What do you mean? It's two of them in there. Tyler,
So you
repeat and report went into a boat. Report, jump out, left who?
Repeat.
Repeat and report went into a boat. Report, jump out, left
That's
who?
repeat.
Repeat and
I don't know, Mama.
And you say I don't have no
Oh,
joke.
that's the funniest joke that I've never heard.
He's a fool.
Tyler, Mama just jumped from 0 to 1 in the first scale. True. That finish. I'm hungry. I'm going to eat soon. I'm very hungry. Gotta go.
You guys, let me tell you what happened to me today. Let me just go on a little rant for a moment. So, I really wanted to do Vlogmas like I told you guys, but not just that. I really wanted to get us Christmas matching pajamas. So because I know that, I went ahead and ordered our pajamas since the first week of November. And now it's the second week of December and no pajamas in sight. None whatsoever. So I messaged the seller and said, look, I haven't gotten my pajamas. When can I expect them? The person was like, oh, well, I'm sorry. It seemed like your mail got lost. I'm like, what? In France, it's the hardest thing to go in any store at all and find Christmas matching pajamas for the entire family. So because I know that I ordered them online, and still nothing. Nothing! Me feel away. I feel away. I was so mad today, I just curled up in a corner. Yes, I was mad about not getting my pajamas, okay? I'm allowed to be mad about not getting those pajamas.
Mama, you don't need to be like that and shout.
Okay, I won't shout again. Okay?
Okay.
So, now that I got that off my chest and my son just put me in my place, that's my dilemma with my pajamas. No, I don't think we'll be having any Christmas pajamas this year because I told them to refund me my money. So I'm waiting on my refund. On that note, I'm gonna go eat some quiche, some pizza, drink some Baileys, and drown in my sorrows, my sadness. Okay. Anyway, you guys. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hold on, I'm speaking. If it's the first time to the channel, be sure to do all the necessaries, which is subscribe, click the notification bell, that way you don't miss a video. Comment down below and let us know who you are, and if it's your first time watching, and if you're an OG, and if you show up here every day. I love talk to you guys down below. I love chat to Uno every day. So comment and let's chit chat down in the comment section, and then you can also go and order, purchase or merches down below. Every video you will see them going across, and go and subscribe to my food channel, which is at Mel's Kitchen Jamaica, and then go and subscribe to my workout channel. Even if you don't work out, girl, go and show me some love over at Body After Baby. Okay, love you guys, and I'm gonna go look at my quiche right now. You wanna see? Baby? What you wanna say? You just wanna watch TV? Yes. Yes, I know. Exactly. All that. What else? Exactly. I know. True. I believe you. Exactly. I know that. That's it, girl. Tell them. Anything else you want to get off your chest? That's it? Finish? Alright, you can go now. Hold on. You guys, there's dinner, small pizzas, and quiche. You think something needs to go back in the oven, or you think they're okay?
That should be fine.
So it's the end of the night for this little one, and look who is off to bed with 2 toothbrush. Look who is off to bed with 2 toothbrush. Can you say night night? Look. Say bye bye.
Night night.
Come up. Oh. Look, I have 2 babies. Tell her turn around and say night night. I can't keep you for long.
Babies, she's carrying me too. She's holding me. Oh yeah. I'm gonna fall.
Tell her you say bye bye. What you trying to catch? You Jamaica flag? Oh my God, he drew a Jamaica flag. Show them.
Yes, goody. Yes, goody.
Isn't he proud?
Yes, little boy. Yes, little boy. How
Alright.
that? How
Say
that?
bye-bye.
You sure about that?
Yes.
Nah, not Jamaica. Jamaica is not that color.
Yeah.
You sure? So what is the green for? The weed?
Tell Papa that the black represent the strength of the people, the yellow represent the sunshine,
And the green represent the weed.
represents
The weed.
the trees and the grass.
The trees, that's exactly what I just said. The weed. And the grass. The trees and the
Okay.
grass. Guys.
Okay, Ty. Now you know what the colors mean, right? The yellow is what? Sunshine. And black is the strength of the people. And the green is?
Weed.
Don't listen to Papa. The green is what?
Tree.
Exactly.
And the grass.
Exactly.
That's the weed. That's the definition of the weed. The trees and the grass. This is what comes from earth. A smoky.
Get down, you're gonna fall. Get down.
No, guys. I don't touch that.
Yeah, don't listen to my husband. Alright, Sarah. Finish brushing your teeth for tonight.
Sarah, bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye to the faves. Give them kiss.
Bye-bye.
Mwah. Mwah. Say bye-bye. Look. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
There you can better see.
She's looking at her papa. She don't know who to look at. Wait. She want me to do kiss. Oh. Whenever she do that. Tyler, what is it?
Sarah.
You want me to carry you and your sister at the same time?
Yes, because then you just do that.
Lord have mercy. Alright, come on the back. On the back. You on? Tight? Alright, you guys.
Let's eat the back to that.
I'm gone now. Oi. Oi.